Breaking news just coming in that the U.S. Embassy has issued a travel advisory to its citizens. The U.S. has cautioned its citizens against visiting India. U.S. has issued an urgent warning against traveling to India and cautioned citizens against visiting India, saying that there is a high threat from terror throughout India and that terror attacks are a serious and growing concerns to U.S. citizens traveling and residing there. Srinjoy Chaudhary joins us live, our senior editor, for more on the story. Srinjoy, what is the reason for this sudden travel advisory which has been issued by the U.S. government?
Yes, we've been speaking with people in the U.S. Embassy, and what they say is there is a threat perception to Americans traveling in India. There is terror. There have been all these incidents in Punjab. So there is quite a lot of violence that has been happening lately. Secondly, this is not to say that all Americans have been told not to come to India. All they have been told is that be cautious. This is a caution. And the American government is making it very clear that they are not telling Americans not to come to India, but they're saying be very cautious when you come to India. That's still very important. What the Americans are saying is there is a threat perception in India, and American citizens traveling in India or American citizens who want to come to India should be very cautious when they are in India.
Right, Srinjoy, is this with regards to any specific intelligence inputs that the U.S. may be aware of, or is this a general cautioning for its U.S. citizens, considering that the 26/11 attacks took place in November and it took them this long to come out with a travel advisory? What is the reason for the timing of this advisory at this time?
Well, what happens usually is that this is not on the basis of one intelligence input. This is a general perception that the American government feels. Now, as far as this travel advisory is concerned, there has been a lot of violence in India. Well, there's been a lot of violence in Punjab, for instance, not very long ago. Now, these things are taken into account. It's not just only terrorism, it's also violence within the country, which is taken into account. The events in Punjab have been taken into account. The fact that there is terrorism in India, no one can doubt it. The fact that the Kashmir continues to be on the boil, all these things are taken into account. The Americans also know that, every summer the situation in Kashmir often gets a little worse. These things are all considered before the American government takes a decision. And in this case, taking all these things into consideration, Punjab, the situation in Kashmir, other issues, the Indo-Pakistan problem that continues to fester, all these things are looked at, and then the American government says, well, you can go to India. It's not that we are telling you not to go to India, but what we are saying is when you are in India, be very cautious.